my beautiful people. It's Sherry Moulton back with another video. Another video. Sean, I need my hair done. My color's going all funky and it's long. Anyways, with that being said, I am back with another Dutch pour today, and I am so excited because I did a Michael's haul online, but anyways, and I bought some more of this beautiful paint. This is the Pebeo Studios Iridescent Green Yellow. Sherry puts this in everything. It's like Mikey likes everything. It's going to be today's base color. Oh my goodness. And I want to thank you, Krystal Resin, again. I love the sticks. So, with that being said, we are doing a split color canvas. I'm doing white. I'm doing my Pebeo Studio Iridescent Green Yellow as a base color. I'm excited because I love the color. If I could bath in that color and Laura's art glitter, things would be very strange. But you never know what the outcome would be, right? With that bad thought in your mind, I'll be right back. I'm gonna prep my canvases. I am so strange. I'm gonna prep my canvases and I'll be right back, guys. Hello. I hope you're all in there. I'm thinking, I hope so. I hope you love the color, because this is my, I love this color. So I have, my canvases are taped and I have my push pins and I have them double flooded. One half is Artist Loft Acrylic Flow White and the other half is, oh my god, Pebeo Studio Iridescent Green Yellow. Love it, love it, love it. It's kind of got this cool effect. It's kind of like when I did my coppers and my, I think the metallic-y, when you do it as a base coat, you have that little bit of a textured. I mixed it up. And oh my goodness, love these. Wipe them off as soon as you're done with this wet one and you're good to go. So I'm gonna move all my junk out of the way now so that I can get to business here. I have given it a good torch and I'll go through my colors. Now I am doing FolkArt color shifting. This one is White Flash. We are doing Artist Loft Level 2 Turquoise Deep with Iridescent Medium. We are going to use DecoArt Extreme Sheen 24 Karat Gold. We will be using Artist Loft Level 2 Violet Dioxazine with Iridescent Medium. I have Liquitex Heavy Body, Quadricentrone Magenta, and of course, Sherry can't be Sherry without adding a Glam Dust. So we are adding DecoArt Glam Dust Silver Bling. Woohoo! I'm excited! Okay, so, like I've explained before, if you do not want this color to be the most thing that you see, then you put it first. So I'm thinking I'm going to put the Quadricentrone Magenta, and I'm just going to try to follow the line. There we go. We are going to do, let's do the gold, because it takes over as well, usually. And then we will do the purple, the Violet Dioxazine, and let's do this FolkArt Color Shift White. I don't know if that'll even add anything to it, but you never know. We will do my glam dust, because you know Sherry by now, anything and everything sparkly, shimmery is amazing. Here we go. And we have our Turquoise Deep Iridescent Medium with Iridescent Medium. A little bit there. Alrighty. I'm gonna give it a good torch. Alright, I see a couple little things on this one. I'm gonna pick them out. And I'm gonna add just a little bit of white so it'll flow a little bit better. And because I have it on left in my container, I'm just going to do just a tad on this side just to make it go. Probably do not need it, but I'd rather put it there and then have a little bit too much than not enough. All right, my friends. Oh, alrighty, here we go, here we go. Hopefully it turns out. Ugh. Okay. Where do I start? I just want to fix that. All right. Actually, I'm going to give it another torch because where I put all the white, there's bubbles. Oh, I can't do it with my hand. Oh my goodness. All right. Just trying to figure out where I'm going to start. Go up, down. Yeah, we'll do it this way. Awesome. That is pretty cool. I love the colors. This part turned out cool. Yeah, my white blue over there. Let me bring in my torch on this one. I'm tempted to just give that a scrape. This is amazing. Let me see if I can get in here. Not liking these little wispy things. Let's bring it back in. You know what? I don't know. I like it. I love the colors. I'm a color girl, so the fact that this one didn't really go with the colors, but you know what? I love the colors. I might try to get this white out of here. Let me see if I can blow this way. You know what I'm going to do? I am being bold. I've never done this, so we're going to play. We're going to put a little more of this here. It might be a mistake, but we're going to try. Let's play. Let's play. You can't play. You can't have any fun if you don't experiment, right? I know people say don't blow over, don't blow it over again, but then there's other people that do. So we are just going to experiment. And I'm wondering, actually, let me put the purple on top. Maybe that white right there. Okay. Let's see what this does. And I'm going to give it a little more of the green behind to give it something to blow with. To me, this would be the same as scraping if I'm going to blow it right off, right? Please send my brain. That's what I'm thinking. Get a little bit of a torch, get rid of some of the bubbles there. And again, it might not work. So here we go. I just love that. Oh, there we go. Look at that. That's what I wanted. Perfect. It went off, but that's okay. We could probably go like this a little bit. Bring it back up to where you want it to stay. There. I'm happy. That's better. This is amazing. This is cool too. Love it. Well, it is very sparkly, my lovely people. I love that 24 karat gold. I love all of my glam dusts because they turn out amazing. And actually, this is kind of cool. I wasn't sure if I liked the green around the edge at first, but it gives it like, almost like a, with my orange, that top tomato color, it's almost like a three-dimensional. Very cool. Maybe we'll blow, try, I don't know. I don't want to goof it all up. Bring this up in there. Awesome. Look, the cells are coming up there. I'm just going to give this a little bit of a, I think that's it. I'm going to leave it. I love it. And I really, really love this color, the green. What I'm going to do, guys, you're way on the other side of the table. I'm going to come around. I will take you down. I'll turn you off first. I'll bring you down and I'll give you a close-up. I'll see you guys in a minute. Okay, here we're going to start with the one I fixed. So, like I said, it isn't 100%, but I like it. I love, I don't know if you can see that amazing sparkle. Shimmer. Beautiful. And I love that. That green is beautiful. Just amazing. This one, I probably should blow it right off. We'll see. This is pretty. But this one, out of all the three, this one's my fave. Here we go. Look at the... That is just amazing. Are you ready? Here it comes. Here it comes. Here it comes. Oh my goodness. That right there is pretty. And there you go. Don't be afraid of color, people. I think this turned out amazing. Well, there you go. I hope you enjoyed my, I have to say my second love. I guess my husband's my first love. But anyways, Pebeo Studio Iridescent Green Yellow. Amazing color. So, with that being said, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up. If you have not yet subscribed, why not? Please do. It helps my channel out, gets the word out there, and if you like it, please give it a share. And sorry, in my description box, I have the link to my Facebook page. I have my Amazon shops. I have the link to Laura's Art Corner with my discount code. If you want to use it, get 10%. Sherry Moulton, all capital letters. Sherry Moulton, 10%, and you get 10% off your entire order. I also have the link to Krystal Resin. If you want to check out their site, they got some sales on right now. There's pretty amazing stuff. And again, thank you, thank you, thank you. So yeah, with that being said, I'll see you guys in the next one. And yeah, I love you. Have a nice day. Love you guys. Oh my goodness, I turned my lights off because now I have everything jimmied so I can turn it off from my side of the table. I just wanted to give you a look. I don't know if it's going to come across on the camera or not, but that 24 karat gold and those iridescent medium that I put in, like right here, it's just all of it. The composition of it might not be the most perfect, but when you get all that glistening, beautiful shine, it's crazy. But anyways, I just thought I'd give you a quick little show with the light off. My light's not down bright down here without the big ones on, but it just shimmered like crazy with all that glistening. Reminds me of glitter. There you go. Love you guys. Bye.